Welcome to Tiny Tots with Miss Anum, early learning skills for curious young minds.
Our experiment, and the things we need are flour. It should be clear. Cooking oil. I have some vinegar over here, and we need food color and baking soda to do the chemical reaction. Okay, so for this purpose, what we are going to do first, I am going to mix in some food coloring in the vinegar. Here you go. This is some food color I have. This is in powder form, and I am mixing it in the vinegar. I will pour this mixture of food color and vinegar in the beaker. Like this. Next, I'm going to add in the cooking oil. As you know, the density of oil is lesser than the density of vinegar and water. So you can see here the vinegar with food coloring is at the bottom and the oil is at the top side of the beaker. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour in baking soda to make the signs alive outside of the beaker, and I have a spoonful of baking soda and I am going to pour it inside. You are going to see the chemical reactions as the baking soda reacts with the vinegar. It starts getting alive, up and this down, up and down, creating bubbles throughout the beaker.